大家好，第14页，我们已经在第14页。现在我们要读一个有关 gymnastics、有关 acrobats 的一个文章阅读训练。It's called The Circus Child. Circus, of course, is a 马戏团, and child 的意思就是孩子，你已经知道。Okay, now let's start. Look at the pictures. Answer the questions. Would you like to be part of a circus? Why not? Would you like to be part of a circus? Would you like to work in a circus? Well, I think working in a circus would be fun, but I think working in a circus would be dangerous, tiring, difficult, low-paying, scary, unstable, and a lot of other things. I don't want to work in a circus. Actually, I do. I want to work in a circus for 1 year, just for fun. And then I want to do a different job. Race car driver. What about you? Do you want to work in a circus? Why or why not? How old do you think the girl in the circus is? Actually, I see several girls. I see one girl, two girls. Yeah, several girls. Let's talk about the youngest girl. How old do you think she is? Well, I think that this is her dad and this is her mom because they're all wearing the same clothes and their hair is the same color. Judging by how she looks and how tall she is, I think this girl is 13 years old. How old do you think this girl is? All right, let's listen to it. Actually, no. First, we'll go through some words that you might not know. Can you imagine being in a circus? 你可以想象 being in a circus, traveling all over the world, playing with clowns, flying through the air on a trapeze. Where's a trapeze? A trapeze is the thing that hangs from the sky and that they hold onto like this. Ah! Whoosh, flip! Whee! Or jumping on trampolines all day. I love trampolines. A trampoline is a bung chuang. This is a trampoline. Whee! No? Well, let me tell you about it. My name is Anastasia. I was born in the circus. My parents are Russian acrobats with Captain Adventure's traveling circus. And my dream was always to be just like them and perform on stage. Perform is 表演 on stage. The stage is the 表演台. Like this is a stage. Wherever people perform is a stage. Every day I wanted to ask Dad when I could go on stage with him, but I was afraid to. I didn't know if I was ready. In the mornings, I had classes with a teacher online. Online means on the internet, 在线. They started at 9 o'clock. My parents said I had to do well at school. In the afternoons, I practiced acrobatics with my dad for hours. We practiced until dinner at 7:30. My dad helped me improve, 改善, 改进, do better and better, get better and better, do better things, and learn new moves, new tricks. Let's try a backflip, he said one day, ready to catch me if I fell. I couldn't do backflips then, but I can now. Great, again, fantastic, again, he told me. I practiced a lot. I really wanted to do it. After training, my friend Yuri usually came over to give me support. Give me support means like help me, talk to me, make me feel better. 支持我. Soon, he always said, and hugged me. I practiced really hard every day for years. Then, last month, 上个月, it finally happened. Dad said, I think you're ready to go on stage now. How about Saturday? Really? I shouted and jumped up and down. Immediately, 立刻, 马上, I ran to tell Yuri the good news. I told you, he laughed. I told you. You practiced a lot, and practice makes perfect. Practice a lot, you'll be perfect. And that was how my dream came true. Now I perform in the circus every week. Whoop-a-doo! All right, ready for some questions? What does Anastasia do every day? Reread it if you haven't read it already. What does Anastasia do every day, and why does she do it? Anastasia, or she, practices every day. What does she practice? She practices acrobatics every day. Why? Because she wants to perform on stage. She wants to perform on stage. And 2, how did Anastasia feel at the beginning of the story? How did she feel now? Okay, at the beginning of the story, she felt like she really wanted to perform, right? She felt like she wanted to perform. She felt scared because she didn't know if she was ready to perform. Now she feels confident. Confident is 满有自信. Confident. Put that one up here. Where do I put that? What do you practice every day and why? Well, I practice speaking Chinese every day because I need to use Chinese for my life, for my job, for my family, for everything. So that's what I practice every day. What about you? What do you practice every day and why? Tell me in the group. Activity book. What is this story about? Tick the correct answer. All right. The story that we just read about Anastasia. What is it about? Is it about the circus is a lot of fun for kids? Well, the circus is a lot of fun for kids, but that's not what the story was about. What was the story about? It was about a girl who wanted to be in the circus. She practiced every day, and then she got in the circus, right? Okay. Life in a circus is difficult. This may be true, but but that's not what the story was about. A young girl who dreams of being an acrobat in the circus. I think so. I think that's it. Bing. The importance of getting good grades. Getting good grades means getting an A+. A+ to 重要性. Well, A+ is important. Good grades are important, but that's not what the story was about. The story was about a young girl who dreams of being an acrobat in the circus. Bada bing, bada bim, boo. Next. Why am I so small? I want to be bigger. Whee! Whee! Number the ideas as they appear in the story. Okay. So number the ideas as they appear. As they appear 的意思是他们出现在他们出现的那个程序 which appears first, which appears second, which appears third, which appears fourth, all right? Anastasia trained really hard for months. Was that first? I don't know. Anastasia's dream was to be an acrobat. We have to read all of them before we know. Anastasia could perform with her parents. Well, that didn't happen until the end. I'm going to write end. Anastasia didn't think she was ready to perform. That's kind of like the beginning. Anastasia trained. Okay, at the beginning she didn't know, then she trained, then she could. So this is like the mid. Anastasia's dream was to be an acrobat. First she had a dream, so this is the beginning too, okay? We have two beginnings. Which one is better? Anastasia's dream was to be an acrobat. Anastasia didn't think she was ready to perform. I'm going to go back to the story in the pupil's book on page 14. I'm going to see, did it mention her dreaming first or did it mention her being scared first? Baba baba booey, baba baba booey. My name is Anastasia. My dream was always to be just like them. Okay, dream first. Every day I wanted to ask my dad, but I was afraid. Okay, dream first, afraid second. Anastasia's dream was to be an acrobat, number 1. Anastasia didn't think she was ready to perform because she was afraid. Number 2. Then what did she do? She trained really hard. Then she could perform with her parents. Yay! That was so easy. Now, match the sentences to the pictures. Oops, I erased the pictures. I erased the sentences. Anastasia's dream, Anastasia do, Anastasia booba, Anastasia bb, okay? 1. Anastasia's dream. Which of these pictures looks like she's dreaming? This one. Stop the video. Do it yourself if you haven't already. 2. Anastasia didn't think she was ready to perform, okay? She's performing here. She's training here. She's worried and scared here. She doesn't know if she's ready. That's 2. 3. Anastasia trained. 4. Anastasia performed. Nice. We finished it. Easy as pie. What do I think happens next in the story? Draw a picture. All right, what do I think happens next in the story? I think Anastasia, what do I think happens? I think she climbs up the ladder. This is a ladder. And she goes up really high onto this platform. And all the people are down here. They're so small. All right. And then, actually, no, this is her mom. And this is her dad. And they are holding a trampoline. Do you know what a trampoline is? Bang chuang, a trampoline. Then they say, Anastasia, jump. And all of the people are watching here. There's a bunch of people watching, eating popcorn, having a good time. These are the people who watch. And there is a lion here because circuses have lions. The lions are in like a fence though. This is a lion. This is going to be an interesting looking lion. Okay, this is a very interesting looking lion. Okay, lion, dinosaur, whatever. All right, so I think that Anastasia is going to say, I'm going to jump. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip in the air. 1 flip, 2 flips, 3 flips, 4 flips, 5 flips, 6 flips. Whoa, this is a great flip. 7 flips, 8 flips, 9 flips. And land. And then she's going to get eaten by the dinosaur lion, and then everybody's going to say, yay! Again! Do it again! Do it again! That's what I think is going to happen. What do you think is going to happen? Look at the picture and read the description. Write some words to complete the sentences about the description. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. All right? Look at the picture, read the description, and then complete the sentences, basically. All right? Pictures here. Read it yourself. Julia is 10 years old. She would like to be an Olympic gymnast when she grows up. Her mother and father are professional acrobats in the circus. Her brother, who is 14, is also a gymnast. All right, so we got Julia, she's 10. Her brother's 14, they want to be gymnasts. They are gymnasts. Her mother and father are professional acrobats. Okay, cool. Julia is... Why don't you try to do these by yourself? These are so easy. Julia is 10 years old. Julia, Shema, be an Olympic gymnast. What does she? She wants to be an Olympic gymnast. Her Shema are both acrobats in the circus. Her brother's an acrobat, her mom's an acrobat, her dad's an acrobat, so her parents. Could you say her family? Her family are both acrobats. No, both 的是两个都是。她的家庭两个都是 acrobats? Nah. Her family is, her family members are all acrobats, Keisho, but her parents are acrobats, are both acrobats. Her brother, Shema years old. Her brother is 14 years old. She practices with him for 4 hours every day after school, except on Sundays. She started practicing when she was only 4 years old. She couldn't hop or skip then, but now she can. Every day she gets better, but her mom and dad want her to finish school before she works in the circus. That's a good idea, right? Julia and her brother go to Shema before they start practicing. Where do they go before they start practicing? Let's see. School. They go to school. They go to school. How do I know? She practices with her brother for 4 hours every day after school. So first school, then practice. Where does she go before they practice? Before practice is school. She doesn't practice on what day? She doesn't practice on Sundays. She goes to practice every day after school except on Sundays. 除了 Sunday 以外，她都练习。但是 except on Sundays 就是除了 Sunday 以外。She doesn't practice on Sundays. She couldn't Shema when she was 4 years old. She couldn't hop or skip when she was 4 years old. But she can now. That's what'll happen if you practice. All right, for your homework today, I want you to draw what you think happens next in the story and tell me about it, just like I just did, all right? For now, let's see what kind of video I've got for you. Here's a good one. I like this one.
Right on.